It's time to count our chips. Basically, most of our gains were achieved in the pre-market. It was a rather lackluster day in terms of movement once the day began. We did piggyback the gains in Europe that we saw pre-market. The Dow ended up 0.5%, the NASDAQ up about 0.75%, and the S&P's up about 0.5%. S&P's up 5.5, Dow up 45, and the NASDAQ up 16. The big news after the bell, and it is big news, is 3Com getting taken over by HPQ. HPQ reported preliminary earnings ahead of guidance. In addition, they raised their guidance for this coming quarter. They did this in disclosing that they were purchasing 3Com at a 40% premium. That's a big premium. More mergers and acquisitions, more premiums, and beating guidance during this quarter already. All good news, all for the tech. Should bode well for tomorrow. And in the pre-market, in the post-market session, we're seeing everything relatively calm. Actually, HPQ trading, as you know, is not part of the NASDAQ, but it is highly correlated to the large NASDAQ stocks, and it is trading down slightly, as risk arbs come in and they hit HPQ and buy the 3Com for the 40% premium. Anyway, that'll be it. We're looking overnight at Asia. Should be piggybacking our gains. Obviously, they didn't do much yesterday, and we saw the follow-through in Europe and now us, and given the fact that Asia is the healthiest three markets, we'll probably see some gains there. So that's it. Happy trading, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.